Hi, Want to See the World community. My name is Carlos Quist, and today we'll be unboxing a video light from LetonPower. The Shark CX is LetonPower's flagship video light, offering tons of features in a compact design. Inside the black carry case, you'll find the Shark CX light, the ball mount for attachment to an underwater housing, and a charging cable. The weight of the product feels excellent in my hand. It's hefty, and that is indicative of the quality of the craftsmanship. For reference, we'll be comparing an Asafee DRC01 video light. The Asafee light has served me well. It's cheaper and lighter than the LetonPower Shark CX. However, there are a few notable features of the Shark CX that one could argue make this a superior product. The addition of charge through USB-C is particularly utilitarian and removes the need for extra chargers for batteries. The advertised brightness, color rendering index, and beam coverage are all superior. Lastly, the battery capacity is humongous, lasting 5 times longer than the Asafee video light. Here we're comparing the beam coverage between the two video lights. It's pretty clear to see that the Asafee video light has a much narrower beam coverage. By contrast, the Shark CX by LetonPower lights the scene very evenly, and it's hard to see any hotspots in the beam coverage. Let's compare the different modes and the brightness of the two video lights. The Asafee light is very simple. One switch controls your white light, beginning at a maximum brightness, then down to middle, then the lowest intensity. The second switch controls your colored light, providing a red light, a strobing red light, and then finally a blue light. The 2-button design remains the same with the Shark CX, with one button controlling the white light and one button controlling the colored light. The Shark CX features a few more lighting modes so that you can adjust to your ideal lighting while underwater. Of the two video lights, this one achieves a higher maximum brightness. The colored lighting is similar between the two video lights. The sequence is red, blue, then strobe, and the brightness is higher. I had an excellent time reviewing the Shark CX by LetonPower. Thank you, LetonPower, for the opportunity to do this product review. I think for any diver who's looking for a high-end video light, the Shark CX is an excellent option to consider. Soon, Want to See the World will be taking a trip to Thailand, and we'll have the opportunity to test this amazing product firsthand in the water. We have a code given to us by LetonPower that provides a 10% discount to anybody interested in purchasing any of their products. It'll be linked down below. Be on the lookout for Part 2 Shark CX Underwater Review. Make sure to take advantage of that 10% discount. Happy bubbles, everybody.